3 brand new cars came off the truck today. This is an Aviator 25. We got 2 new Corsairs. This is an interesting color. 42-230. This is a Premier. I don't know about y'all, but that's pretty interesting. I like that color. And then we've got this one for 46,920. This is a Premier 2 25. Let me know which one y'all like better, guys. The interior on this one is amazing. I don't think I've seen this color at all, but I like it though. And of course, this is the Aviator. This is a 25 Aviator. What do y'all think about this interior? Of course, you know, being an Aviator, you got 3 rows of seats. If you're in the market for a 25 Aviator or a Corsair, come to Lincoln to Memphis. It's a great time to come by a new or used Lincoln.